first grade, Mr. Reed here. We're going to be balancing some number sentences today. Teachers, we are on Module 5, Module 9, Lesson 2, and students, you're going to need pages 202, 203, your Orgo workbooks, math, pencils, crayons, and your math notebook. Pause this video, and whenever you're ready, come back to us in the start. Today, we will be creating those balanced number sentences with multiple add-ins, using words, pictures, add-ins, and symbols. So number 1, think about what the word balance and what it means to you. 2, discuss and tell someone what that word balance means to you. And then come back to your journal for number 3 and draw a picture of what the word balance means to you. Pause, get those activities done, and then come back to me. Some vocabulary today, we have symbols, balance, fewer, more, quantities, amount, number sentence, added, plus, and equal. Go ahead and match the blue words and pictures to the red words. Pause this video and get that done. Let's check our answers, okay? So symbols could also be are greater than, less than, or equal to. Balance just means equal. Fewer could be less. More could be bigger. Quantities and amount, that's another name for a number. A number sentence really is a blank plus blank equals blank, those two add-ins together. And then the add-ins are those first numbers we put together. Plus could be the plus sign or the word and. And could be plus or the plus sign. And then again, equal, we have our equal symbol right there. Go ahead and pause the video and check your answers. If you got anything wrong, go ahead and talk to someone about them and then restart this part of the video. If not, go forward. Alright, as always, we have a process for balancing numbers, right? The first thing we do is we're going to find those add-ins. We're going to circle them both in our number sentence and on the number line. Then we're going to find the ending quantities, or the answer, and again, circle them on the number line and number sentence. We're going to then start and make those jumps on our number line. And we're finding our new ending quantity, the one that we circled. Then we're going to go back and complete those number sentences for whatever numbers we had. So let's go ahead and start right here, okay? So if I have 4 plus blank equals 7, that's what I'm going to do. Let's review. We already did this the other day, but today we're doing multiple. So let's go ahead and go through quickly, okay? I'm going to circle the 4, and then circle the 4 on the number line. Find my ending quantity, which is 7, and circle that. Then make my jumps, and that's my new add-in. 4 plus my new add-in of plus 3 equals 7. So that's just a quick review. What we're going to do today is add multiple add-ins. So what I want you to do right now is pause this video, get out your math journals, and copy these number sentences down in your journals on 2 different sheets. Create your number line and then gather some counters. Unpause the video when you're ready, and let's get started. Alright class, so we're balancing those number sentences. Remember, we're going to be using multiple add-ins. And that again means that we have 2 numbers added equals another 2 numbers added, or more than 2 numbers being used. These add-ins are the ones we put together. So let's do one together. I'm going to do 3 plus 2, and actually I want you to just pause and watch. So 3 plus 2 equal another 2 add-ins. So we're just going to be moving those around. So a couple of things. We're going to go ahead and circle like we did our add-ins, and then we're going to circle and try to find the ending quantity. Well, we don't know that yet, so let's go and figure it out. So let's say that my number that I'm using right here is 3 plus 2 more, 1, 2. So that's going to be my ending quantity 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever's over here must equal 5 also. So lots of different ways you can move this around. Maybe you want to move one this way, or just place it that way. Let's go ahead and put a number 1 right there. So if I need to make a balance sentence that says 1, well then I'm going to start at 1, and I know that I need to get to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 4 equals the same thing as 3 plus 2. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome job. What I want you to do is go ahead and pause this video. Go ahead and get your paper cleaned up like this and come back to me. Well, let me go and finish this out as well. So I can say that add-ins 3 plus 2 more equal 1 and 4. So that's 5. And that's 5. I can also say 3 plus 2 equals 1 plus 4. So we're going to do one more together and then let you do it on your own. First, go ahead and get your paper set up with your number sentences and your number lines. When you're ready, come back to me. So the next one that we're going to do together is going to be, let's go ahead and say 5 plus 2 equals blank plus blank. So 5 plus 2 equals blank plus blank. Go ahead and find out a combination that can fit here. Pause the video, finish your number sentences, and then come back to me when you're ready. Alright, so let's go ahead and check this together, okay? So 5 plus 2, well, let's go ahead and put our markers there to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, 2, 5. Count on 6, 7. So I know that this equals 7, so this must equal 7. Let me go over here and just do one more time on my number line jump, like always. We're going to start at 5, and 2 more. 1, 2, 7. So I need to get this. So let me do this. I want to start with the number 1, 2, 3. So let me start with the number 4. So if I say 4, then I can go ahead and say 1, 2, 3 more. That could be the answer. So then the way I would fill my paper out would be the add-ins 5 plus 2 more equal 4 plus 3. Or the first add-in of 5 and then the second add-in of 2 equal 4 plus 3. Now that's just one answer. So let me go ahead and say that this equals 4 plus 3. Because there are many answers we could have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Another combination I could have would be 5 plus 2. Or 6 plus 1. Or even 7 plus nothing. Or going backwards, 6 plus 1. 5 plus 2. 4 plus 3. 3 plus 4. 2 plus 5. 1 plus 6. Or even 0 plus 7. You got any of those correct? High five. Pause the video, check your work, and then go back to our classroom.
Alright, here you do on your own workday class is page 202 and page 203. After you finish these pages, go take a picture and upload to your classroom for your teacher to see. Some more work on your own. Number 1 is, I want you to complete 2 different number sentences for each of those numbers below. So 5 plus 3, show me 2 ways you can make that balance it on the other side. 4 plus 5, show me 2 ways for that one as well. Number 2 says, complete the sentence stems and write them for each number sentence. So I want you to tell me 5 plus 3 is the same as or equal to. Finish those out with the new add-ins that you created. Take a picture of all your work and then upload it to Google Classroom. The last thing for us today, class, is to remember, when working with numbers, what does balance mean to you? Take a few minutes and go back to your journal and jot if it changed your mind, if you learned something new, or go tell someone at home what balance means to you. Until next time, goodbye.